Hi and welcome to another repair video. Today I'll just be showing quickly how to replace this plastic strip that covers the gear mechanism. Over time it will crack and probably show some holes into the mechanism. So this was mine before I replaced it. It was broken in half, and this is it usually happens, 10 years, around 10 years it will break because they are just plastic. But you can still get them from BMW. They're very inexpensive at $5 I think, and easy to replace. So let's do it. First, what I like to do is to mark where the shift handle inserts into this shaft, just by taking some tape like this. I'll just wrap it, just so you remember how far to push it. Okay, then you grab a number 3 Allen, and there is a screw at the back that you simply unscrew. Then you just need to pull up on the handle to remove it, like this, and this is the Allen screw at the back. Okay, put this aside. This piece you can reinstall later, and then you need to remove this switch to gain access under the panel to get leverage to pull it up. I like to use a rag of some kind and a very thin, very sharp screwdriver, and then pry under the selector switch here. Being careful not to pry onto this piece of console here, because it will damage it. Then you need to remove this connector. This. Okay. Now this is the tricky part. This panel has 4 fasteners, 2 hooks at the front and 2 clips at the back. So you just need to pull closer to wherever you have leverage, and then if you pull hard enough it will come out, probably all at once. But it's very fragile. The veneer is old and may crack, so you have to pay attention and be careful. Alright, and this is the plate removed. Just inspect it to make sure you didn't damage it. And now is a good time to clean all this area, because you have access, and retrieve any debris and stuff in here. So as you can see, the mechanism is very simple. It's just a trim that rolls between 2 sort of rollers, and I need to roll mine a bit better because there are kinks in it, but you get the idea. So to get it out, it needs to come out up here. Anyway, that's what I found out in my tests. So what you do is roll it in the bottom, all the way to the bottom, like this, and then it will be close to this opening. When it is close to it, you can grab it and fold it out. It takes a bit of wiggling. You can unroll it here, and then it just comes out like this. And when I removed the original one, the BMW logo was located at the bottom towards the rear of the car, and as you can see, the opening is shifted a bit on the left. You know, it's not symmetrical, so you have to put it on the right side. It goes like this, not like this, because the shift lever is a bit on the far side. You know, like this. Then to reinstall it, you just grab your plate, your sliding cover, remembering to put the BMW logo at the bottom. And then you grab this piece, you curl it a bit to get it started, and then you can insert it into this this opening here. It takes a bit of fiddling, a bit of patience, but it will go in. Like this. You push it, making sure that it's between the tracks. Like this. Push it a bit more. You'll see that it will roll automatically here. Especially if you curled it a bit to start it, it will grab the circular shape and get in place by itself. So keep rolling. You can put your finger into the hole here to help push it back, like this. Okay, keep rolling until it gets under this roller. Like this. And then you can pull it inside the roller here. And then it will start to coil around it. Like this. There you go. That's it. Now it spins freely and moves smoothly. On this side. When putting it back, remember there are two hooks at the bottom here and two clips here. So you want to start with the hooks. So insert your shifter shaft into the hole, line up the hooks at the bottom here. Okay, then push these two corners. Make sure it's tight and that there is no flexing anywhere. And then get your connector out. Plug your switch back in. Like this. Just put it back. Like this. Okay, now you need to reinstall the shift handle. To do that, you grab this plastic piece. This is the lock. You know, when you press this button to shift, this will unlock the gear mechanism. So you need to, as you can see, there's a metal rod here, and this rod goes into the hole. So line it up inside, like this, and then press the button so it's held in place. So now it won't go anywhere. If by mistake the plastic piece falls into the shaft here, you can easily just retrieve it with a screwdriver and lift it out, and it will come out. Okay, then insert it, inside. And now, because you use tape, you know exactly how far to push to screw the Allen screw back. So just push like this. Grab your Allen tool and screw back the screw. Okay, and then you can remove the tape. There you go. So this is with everything reinstalled. It's looking good. The sliding cover here covers the holes correctly as it was from the factory, and you just need to ensure that it can shift properly. You know, test the button here at the back, so you need to hold it to be able to shift into reverse and drive. So sliding cover works correctly all the way to park. So I hope this video helped you, and as you can see, it's very simple. I recommend this fix. It gives a nice finish to the interior. So have a good day. Thank you.